Hey everybody, my name is Cayman. I'm here with the Sauna company, and this video addresses the high limit protection mode that you might find your spa has entered if you've just refilled it with cooler water. Water that's about 50 degrees Fahrenheit or below could trigger this high limit protection mode. Basically, the sensors in the unit itself are under the impression that the heater might be broken, so it shut everything down to avoid causing serious damage to your spa. Keep in mind there are a number of different reasons that your spa might enter protection mode. This video really just addresses this one issue, but if your spa is in protection mode, a good place to start is just by cleaning your filter. This is also specific to spas with circulation pumps like this Hot Spring High Life Envoy, Hot Spring Limelight, and Caldera Utopia, and Caldera Paradise spas also have circulation pumps and might encounter this issue. The first thing you need to do before you perform work on any spa is disconnect the power to your spa completely. Then you can remove the panel covering the equipment compartment so that you can locate your heater. The heater will look something like this. This is one that has been disconnected from the tubing, and the sensors are attached to the gray cables that I've highlighted here in blue. Once you've located your heater, you can take a hairdryer and warm the two sensors on the top of the unit as well as the vinyl tubing. You can use your best judgment on how long you need to heat the sensors and tubing for, but we do recommend about 10 minutes. Just make sure it is long enough to warm the tubing and the sensors. And really, that's all you need to do. You can then reconnect the power to your spa, and in the future, if you have the option, you can add warm water to the cool water to heat it above 50 degrees and hopefully avoid this issue altogether. Once again, I'm Cayman with the Spa and Sauna Company. I hope this solution helped. If you find that your spa is still in protection mode, like I said earlier, go ahead and clean your filter. 9 times out of 10, that is going to solve protection mode. And we'll see you next video.